Hey, what's going on, YouTube? We got all kinds of projects going on here. Jennifer's working on her alternator on the JK, I'm sorry. Look at that. Muscle it out, huh?
Woo.
All right. We kind of got to get a little deadline here. We're in a hurry to get some things done. We got to put Betty back together, get them front axle shafts in. Then Jennifer just came up today with a check engine light, and we know her alternator's been going. So she started attacking that before I even got home from work. And I just got home from work. It's like 4 o'clock, I think, in the afternoon.
Yeah.
So we got our work cut out for her. We got to put all this stuff together. We got to be on trail tomorrow at 7 a.m. So, deadlines, people. All right, everybody, that new subscribers, thanks for subscribing. Like, comment below. Old subscribers, thank you so much for coming and watching our videos. Today, we're going to put this shit back together and hit the trail tomorrow. Let's go. All right, Jen's back on the install phase with the new alternator. Working it in right now. I'm going to start pressing some spicer bearings onto the my new axle shafts, my Yukons. So let's get to work. Going?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. The rest of these clips, I think, are over on the floor over there where I was working. And then we flip it over. Like so. I'm not jacking. I'm like, what the hell? It's not moving. Okay, now we got tension on it. There it goes. There it goes. Oh my God. How did I do all these years without one of these?
Well, I guess we figured now that we pressed so many damn
Shit.
U-joints.
Looks like the needle bearings fell down though. It's not, let's see. Oh, something don't feel right. Rewind. Much better.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, really, how did I go all these years?
Didn't have the money for it.
No, doing it the hard way all the time. Shards of metal. Alright. That's that one spins right there. About a 32nd of an inch. That looks like a 32nd. That's it, that's on. That's set. Alright, there's one. Now, we need the other piece. All these years doing it the hard way. It's going, Dave.
Is it running now?
Say again?
Is it running?
Her Jeep is.
No, this here.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
I like your press.
Harbor Freight, baby.
Hey, works, doesn't it?
All these years of doing it the hard way with C-clamps and every other way I've done it. I said I went over there to get a, a hand press, because I always rent them or borrow them from from Pet Boys or wherever. And I said, you know what? That thing's $80. This thing was $130. I'm gonna get this thing.
Well, yeah, you can use it more than once.
I'm tired of doing it the hard way.
You put new grease in it?
No, they're brand new. They're all greased.
Oh.
Yeah, they come all greased.
You checked the other Jeep, make sure it ran?
She said it did.
It's good to go.
You had it running?
Yep.
Did it charge it?
Yep.
Oh, good.
My engine light went off immediately.
Oh, good.
Oh, I like that.
They come with a jack too?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And lots of shards of metal. I keep picking up little pieces of metal off of this thing. Chinese
These
welding.
bolts are not all the way in either.
Huh?
These bolts are not all the way in.
Well, I mean,
They're in, but
yeah. Right there. I mean, kind of a contraption, though, the way they give you no bench or work area off this thing.
Well,
I'll fab something, I'm
you're
sure.
gonna fix your own. That's the way.
That's it. Nice and slowly here. All these years. All these years. I can't believe I've been doing it all these years with a hand clamp. Okay, that's good. So much faster. So much easier. So much less chance of slipping the needle bearings out. Doesn't help when you shine it right in my face.
Sorry.
That's absolutely no good to me at all. Perfect. Oh my God, I cannot believe how many years. How many years? I did this the hard. Axle shafts, Spicer sealed U-joints. Good to go, ready to install. Ready?
Ready.
Well, you got your alternator done.
I know.
I got the hard stuff still to do here, man.
You want to go wheeling tomorrow?
I do. We got to be up at 5 a.m. on trail at 7. I'm used to it. Jen's the only one that goes to bed at midnight, wakes up at 10 o'clock in the morning or something like that.
It's not no 10. I wake up at 8.
Oh, okay. 8. All right, 8 o'clock. You 6. pressed our spacer bearings on. We're ready to slide in the Yukon axles. There we go. Love Yukon, Jack. Oh, look at that. She found a home.
Who?
Boom. Now, let's go slide in the other side. Alright, axle shaft driver's side. Yukon install. Look at that. Just like it was meant to be. Okay, that's gonna be speed reinstall here. Axle shafts are in. Everything we did yesterday on the removal of the axle shafts in reverse. We're gonna put everything back together. I gotta put on the bearings, the rotor, the axle shaft nut, all that back together. And I'm gonna go fast because it's late and we want to be up early. So that's it, guys. That's how they go in. That's new. We'll see. I'll get you on a test drive. If we can get the trail tomorrow, you'll know. You'll see the video on Sunday. All right. Peace out, skis. All right. It's almost 8 o'clock p.m. We got the rotors back on, axle nuts back on, calipers back on. Everything's back together, both sides. We still have to do the FAD cover and the FAD skid, and I gotta put the diff cover back on. And that's the last of the last. The linkage, oh, I gotta put the linkage on. Oh my God, I'll be out here for a couple more hours, I bet. All right, we want a wheel tomorrow, so we're on it. It's getting dark though, it's hard to film. All right, guys, peace out, ski. See you on the trail tomorrow. Hopefully she goes together well and she can make the trail. We'll see how it goes. All right, there's Betty back on the ground. Let's go for a test drive. All right, Betty is back, baby. First stop, car wash, then the gas station, then go have something to eat, and we're gonna hit the trail tomorrow. Get you some vids. Cleghorn, here we come. See you tomorrow, guys.